Nirutai Satpal, have you heard of her? She became mother at a young age of 16, and when heavily pregnant, her husband kicked her out of the house. Had no one, even her mother did not accept her in her house. Went under the tree, sat, heavily pregnant Nirutai Satpal, delivered under a tree with the shelter of a cow, took the stone and cut her own umbilical cord, and that time, looking at the young infant, she took a promise, a vow, saying that till I am alive, not a single child will be orphan. With this mission, she has hundreds and thousands of young children with her under her shelter, very safe. This led her to have more than 500 awards, but she says that the biggest award is when these children call me I.